Hi guys! For today's video, we have to eat balut. Yeah, Sophie will eat balut, right? Are you gonna eat balut?
But someday I will.
Say hi to you. Oh, someday she will eat balut. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, na ako'y 3 balut. Tapos na ako'y suka nga very halang and asin. Okay. Kuyawan ko. So, I bought it in an Asian store. Tapos kuan. Ako na nagluto. Tapos wala sila isoso. Ako rin naghimo. Sakto ba ni?
If you want it, go to the Asian store. It's called the Asian store.
Yes, called it the Asian store. Here in Vancouver, Washington.
Yeah, but I don't know Filipino. I only know English.
Yeah. But you know Maldita, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, Sophia knows Maldita. What is Maldita means, babe?
It means annoying.
Yeah. It means she's very brat, and when I call her Maldita.
Yeah,
I put kuan, ang sa may suka. So, daghan kayo siya kuan, tawa. Daghan siya og sabaw.
Yeah, I know. It looks really weird.
Arti kayo, lami kaayo.
With this, you get a napkin.
Yeah.
And you might call
Napkin, I forgot. Lamiya, uy! Lamiya, eh. Thank you, love.
Is it too good?
Is it? You wanna try? Oh, lami kaayo. Sus, magpalit yung daghanan ni.
My videos are way too popular.
Your video?
And I have 32 views. I have the shoes, I have the dress, and then we are princess, I guess.
Yeah. You're a blogger now?
I made it today.
Yeah.
I would have like 500 minutes ago.
Aw, kakasakit. Oh, nara, oh. Ooh. Here. Raw, balot, mga unta ninyo.
It doesn't look good.
It doesn't look good. Ay, saba. Di ko mukhaon sa kuan. Mahadlok ko. Oh, mga untag balut ninyo. Ato-ato lang niya. Wala na ako gikuan kayo. Alam mo, saba nakabantay mo. Ato-ato lang na nga ko kaon sa kuan. Okay. Mga unta ninyo. Too good. Ang problema ni mo na. Suka ba ya? What?
I want you to watch me go in the bathroom to go poo.
Really? I'm eating, love. Really? Do you have to say that in front of my food?
Yeah.
Sunggi suka. May akong paborito. Oh.